Hello my people, so today I'll show you the overview of the app. So assuming you have created the app itself, so once you log in, let's say along here onto the login page, and then I put my credentials like my email and password, and then I log in, I'll be landed into dashboard. So I'll just give you an overview of the dashboard and how it looks. So this is the initial dashboard that you'll see. I've logged in as administrator. So this is what I'll see. I'll see the number of transactions, the orders that I'm having, the current balance based on my sales, and then the number of customers I've registered or the customers that I've sold the products to. So those will appear here. And then I'll have some analysis graphs here, like the sales analysis. This will give me the number of sales I've made. And then there's this turnover analysis. This one will show me the total sales against the expenses of the money out that I've spent. So it will just draw two graphs showing me that. And then on the top right, you'll see the latest transaction. Like if I do credit this money in, let's say a customer has bought something, it will appear in green and it will show me the amount. And then once I do a payment or a debit, it will show here in red as money going out. And then down here you'll see there's other more charts. Like this is customer insight. It will show me which customer is my best customer and the amount they have bought over time. So this one can give you that analysis of which customer is the most your most valuable customer in terms of the number of sales they make in a period of time. And then here we have the expense analysis. This one will just give you your expenditure. Wherever you spend money, it will break down for you based on the categories and show you a graph just like this one. Right now, you don't have any data on that. That's what it's spent. And then there's payment insight. This is where you do how you receive money. For example, I receive through M-Pesa. A lot is done through M-Pesa. Then there's a bit on bank, and then there's cash. So this will give you analysis on which is the most preferred payment method used by your customer to pay for the product. And then right here we have the calendar overview. This will show you like today's date is 18. Whenever you tap on another date, it will give you the sales for that particular date. So if I tap on 18, it will analyze and give me that, like I have a total daily revenue of 350, and then I have a daily expense of 350 also. So it can just give you an overview on how your business is doing at each particular date that you click on. It will be able to give you that data. And so guys, that's it. That's the dashboard. That's how it's looking like. This is for the Bulla points. This is for subscription. I'll show you later deep into it. Then you have a search here whereby you can search for different menus or different items inside the app. You can search it out of here. On top here you have now the user profile and stuff like this, where you can change password, you can log in, you can view your profile, you can change some details like your country, your number, and whatever. And then you have the notifications here that will give you the in-app notification on what's happening inside your platform. In here, there's the name of your shop. Like for example, this is just a barber shop, but give it a simple name. And then it will tell you this is a business or an individual account. Then give you a merchant ID attached to your business. This is like the unique identifier for the business. Then if you have affiliate business, like you have two business linked together, you can have all of them listed here, whereby you can switch based on which business you want to view as an administrator. You want the analysis of one of your businesses, you just have to tap there, and then it will change automatically the dashboard and everything based on the business that you selected. So thank you. Let's move on to the next tutorial.